evaluating the impact of parasitic infections on the health and viability of culturable freshwater fish. Parasites can be found in a wide variety of animal species. They are more numerous than free-living creatures and can be found in every animal phylum, from protists to chordates. This study evaluates the impact of parasitic infections on the health and viability of culturable freshwater fish. In grouper aquaculture, a diverse range of parasitic organisms has been documented to cause substantial issues. Protozoans, particularly ciliates, are the primary source of parasitic illnesses in groupers in the hatchery and nursery phases. Grouper fries are subjected to handling and travel stress when they are transferred to grow-out facilities. Ciliate protozoans, skin, and gill monogenians and caligid copepods are all common parasites carried by these fish. Protozoans, monogenians, didymozoid digeneans, nematodes, caligid copepods, isopods and leeches are among the primary parasites of cultivated groupers discussed in this review paper. Important management implications for the preservation of freshwater fishes and their natural parasites have also been brought to light by an analysis of the anticipated consequences of climate change on intermittent rivers. Introduction. Fish are one of the most diverse and important animals on Earth, providing a major source of food and protein for people around the world. However, fish, both wild and farmed, are often infected by parasites, which can harm their health, growth, and survival. These parasites range from tiny organisms to larger worms and crustaceans. They can live on the fish's skin or inside its organs and may even carry diseases that affect humans. In fish farming aquaculture, parasite infections can cause serious problems, such as increased fish deaths, slower growth, costly treatments, and rejection of fish during processing. This leads to major economic losses, costing the industry billions of dollars globally every year. Parasites can also make fish more vulnerable to other diseases and stress. Because of their impact, managing parasites is critical for healthy fish farming, food safety, and maintaining a stable and profitable aquaculture industry worldwide. Conclusion. Climate change is expected to have serious effects on freshwater fish and the natural parasites that live with them, especially in rivers that dry up during certain seasons, intermittent rivers. As water levels drop and flow slows down, both fish and their parasites face higher risks of extinction due to harsher living conditions and limited movement between habitats. To protect these species, it is important to preserve or create safe areas, called refuge pools, where fish can survive during dry periods. Additionally, with climate change, non-native alien fish and parasites that can live in many different conditions may start to take over these habitats, which can harm native species. This highlights the importance of managing and controlling these invaders to protect the balance of aquatic life. Overall, careful planning and action are needed to support the survival of freshwater fish and their ecosystems in a changing climate. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.